The cryptocurrency landscape is a realm of constant evolution. Within this dynamic environment, Pi Network has carved out a unique niche, capturing the attention of millions with its mobile-first mining approach. Recently, the project has entered a significant new phase, marked by developments that could redefine its trajectory and impact on the broader crypto community. The journey of Pi Network, from a conceptual idea to a burgeoning ecosystem, is now facing its next set of crucial tests and opportunities. The buzz surrounding Pi Network has often been a mix of fervent support and cautious skepticism. Now, with the open mainnet live and significant listings on derivatives platforms, the narrative is shifting. These developments suggest a project moving beyond its initial development phase and stepping onto a larger stage. The recent announcements, particularly the introduction of PI perpetual futures by Kraken Pro, are more than just headlines. They are indicators of growing institutional interest. For a project that has largely existed within its own ecosystem, this exposure to established financial platforms is a monumental step. Understanding these recent developments is key to comprehending Pi Network's current standing and its prospects for the future in the ever-competitive world of digital currencies. One of the most significant recent developments for Pi Network is undoubtedly the introduction of PI perpetual futures contracts on Kraken Pro. This announcement marks a pivotal moment for the PI token, granting it access to the US market for futures trading. Perpetual futures allow traders to speculate on the future price of PI without needing to own the underlying asset directly. The offering on Kraken Pro is particularly noteworthy due to the provision of up to 20 times leverage. While this can attract sophisticated traders looking for enhanced returns, it also introduces a higher degree of risk and potential for increased price volatility for the PI token. The availability of over 40 collateral assets to back these PI futures contracts further integrates PI into the broader crypto trading ecosystem on Kraken Pro. This move by Kraken Pro can be interpreted in several ways. On one hand, it suggests a growing institutional interest in Pi Network. On the other hand, the listing is for futures, not spot trading of the actual PI token on Kraken's main platform. The increased visibility on a major US-facing platform is undeniably a positive step in terms of exposure. Beyond the financial markets, the technological heart of Pi Network has also seen substantial advancements with the launch of its open mainnet in February 2025. This development is crucial because it allows for real utility and the development of a tangible ecosystem around the PI coin. With the open mainnet now operational, the PI network is beginning to showcase its potential as a platform. As of May 2025, the network is reported to support a growing number of dApps. Over 25 applications are currently live. These applications are designed to enable users to finally activate their Pi wallets, conduct peer-to-peer transactions with their mined Pi coins, and migrate the Pi they have accumulated through the mobile mining app to the mainnet blockchain. The development of these dApps is vital for the long-term success of Pi Network. The focus now shifts to scaling this ecosystem, attracting more developers and ensuring the security and stability of the mainnet as transaction volumes and application complexity grow. One of Pi Network's most striking features has always been its massive user base, cultivated through its unique mobile mining mechanism. As of May 2025, the network boasts an impressive figure of over 60 million registered users globally. Within this vast community, a significant portion, reportedly 19 million users, have completed the Know Your Customer (KYC) verification process. This large and engaged user base represents a powerful asset for Pi Network. In terms of market presence, as of May 23, 2025, Pi Network, PI, held the 26th rank among cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Despite the impressive user numbers and a respectable market capitalization ranking, the journey to translate this potential into sustained market strength is ongoing. The current market status reflects both the immense potential inherent in its user numbers and the challenges it faces in achieving broader market acceptance. Section 5. Riding the Waves: PI Token's Recent Price Action and Technical Landscape. The price journey of the PI token has been a subject of keen interest, especially following recent exchange developments. Despite the significant news of the Kraken Pro futures listing, PI's price action in late May 2025 was somewhat subdued. After reaching a high of $1.60 earlier in May 2025, the price experienced a downturn. Around May 23rd to 26th, PI was observed trading in the range of 76 to 77 cents. From a technical analysis perspective, in late May 2025, the PI coin appeared to be in a consolidation phase. Market analysts noted that it was trading within a relatively tight range, specifically between 73 and 78 cents. A key resistance level being closely watched was 78 cents. Potential upside targets, should a bullish breakout occur, were identified by analysts. The muted price response and declining volume, despite positive news like the Kraken listing, underscore the complex interplay of factors influencing PI's market valuation. Section 6. Beyond Kraken Pi Network's broader exchange footprint. While the Kraken Pro listing for PI perpetual futures has garnered significant attention, it's important to note that this isn't Pi Network's first foray into derivatives trading on established exchanges. Earlier in the year, in February 2025, another prominent exchange, Gate.io, also took steps to incorporate the PI token into its offerings. The availability of PI on platforms like Gate.io and now Kraken Pro for futures trading signifies a growing, albeit selective, acceptance by centralized exchanges. However, a crucial aspect of PI Network's current exchange landscape is the notable absence of spot listings on the very top-tier exchanges, particularly Coinbase and Binance. The pursuit of listings on major spot exchanges like Binance and Coinbase remains a key objective for many Pi Network supporters, and likely for the core team as well. Section 7. Navigating choppy waters, regulatory concerns and centralization debates. Despite the positive momentum from new listings and mainnet developments, Pi Network has not been without its share of controversies and concerns, particularly regarding centralization and regulatory scrutiny. Reports emerged earlier in May 2025 alleging that a significant volume of tokens, specifically 12 million, were sold from wallets purportedly controlled by insiders. Adding to these concerns are reports suggesting that a large portion of the PI token supply, estimated to be around 60%, is controlled by the core team. These issues, including allegations of insider selling, significant team token holdings, and validator centralization, contribute to the rug pull allegations that have surfaced around Pi Network at various times. Section 8. Gazing into the crystal ball, Pi Network's future outlook and predictions. Looking ahead, the future of Pi Network appears to be a mixed bag, with various analysts and market observers offering a wide spectrum of price predictions and sentiment for late 2025 and beyond. Short-term predictions for PI's price are quite varied. For instance, Crypto News forecasts a moderate climb for PI, suggesting it could reach a range of $1 to $1.35 by the end of 2025. On the more optimistic side, CoinDCX projects significantly higher potential, with highs possibly reaching up to $6.20. Conversely, there are more skeptical voices in the market. Some analysts predict a much lower trading range for PI, potentially between 30 cents and 40 cents. Several major developments are anticipated on the PI Network roadmap that could significantly influence its future trajectory and market perception. One such development is the planned conversion of Fireside tokens, an in-app engagement token, into actual Pi coins. Ultimately, the long-term success and price appreciation of Pi Network will heavily depend on its ability to demonstrate sustained utility and build a thriving, genuinely decentralized ecosystem. Section 9. Conclusion: Pi Network at a crossroads, promise and peril. As we reach late May 2025, Pi Network stands at a fascinating and critical juncture in its development. Recent milestones such as the launch of the open mainnet, the burgeoning ecosystem of over 25 dApps, and the significant introduction of PI perpetual futures on Kraken Pro with 20 times leverage, signal a period of accelerated maturation. The entry into the US derivatives market via Kraken Pro, following a similar move by Gate.io, provides new avenues for price discovery and attracts a more sophisticated trading audience. Simultaneously, Pi Network must earnestly address the persistent concerns surrounding centralization, including the significant portion of token supply reportedly controlled by the core team and the geographical concentration of validator nodes. The project's ability to foster genuine utility through its dApp ecosystem will be the ultimate litmus test of its long-term viability beyond the initial allure of mobile mining. The future outlook hinges on a delicate balance, capitalizing on its vast user network and new financial instruments while diligently working to enhance decentralization, transparency, and real-world utility.